Hello, this is Gio. Hey, look what we have here. You are looking at a Fisher and Paykel EcoSmart washing machine. And if you have one of these washers, you may one day discover that it just stops working. Just like what you're seeing now. It kind of just stops and you get some beeping and the display lights tend to make this weird pattern. Well, these patterns of lights are actually light codes, which you could use to help diagnose the issue with your washer. So, how do you figure out what these codes mean? Well, your washing machine actually holds the mystery inside. It actually has a service summary of these codes inside the front panel. So to get to the service summary, you first want to unplug your machine and then take the top lid off. You just lift it up and kind of lift up. It'll just pop out by itself. And then you want to move to the back of the machine where you'll find two screws near the top. You just want to grab a Phillips screwdriver and remove those two screws. And then from there, you just want to take the top cover, kind of pull it and kind of rotate it forward. There'll be wires attached to the back. So you just want to kind of move the front face down and kind of rest it on the machine. And then just on the left side, you should see a piece of paper, and that is the service summary. And it includes these 4 pages you see here. Now I'm going to focus on the third page, which actually has the light codes and tells you the issues associated with each code. I'll keep those on the screen. You could stop the video as you like so you could read the information. But other than that, I'm done with this video. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen and even consider subscribing to my channel. I have many more videos to come. Bye-bye.